In this video, we're going to take a tour of OCHMIS.org. OCHMIS.org is the website for the Orange County HMIS, which is managed by 211 Orange County. So we're going to go over all of the menus and buttons on this website, starting with the top menu up here. So the first item is our news menu, and this is where we keep our user meeting minutes. So if we click on this link, you can scroll down on this page and find the minutes, PowerPoint, and recording for every webinar HMIS user meeting we've had since 2017. And in-person webinars, we post the minutes and the PowerPoint, but in-person meetings are not recorded. So you won't see a recording for in-person meetings. Then if we go to our next drop-down, which is called HMIS Help, right now we have two items under this drop-down. The first is the most updated HIC and PIT information. So this is for 2018. And then we also have our chronically homeless determination tool. So this is an interactive tool that helps you determine the chronic homelessness status of your clients. So to use this tool, you answer the questions by clicking the links below each question. And at the end, it will tell you whether or not your client is chronically homeless based on the answers to HUD's qualifying criteria. Our next drop-down section is reports. So we have the COC board reports, which are presented at every monthly COC board meeting. Then we have the HMIS data quality report cards, project performance reports, and Orange County reports. COC board report is a simple PDF document that we upload every month after the COC board report, and it contains some performance data that is presented at each COC board. And you can kind of keep up to date on how we're doing as a COC with these measurements every month by checking this page. You can view HMIS data quality report cards by clicking HMIS data quality report cards from the reports drop-down. These are all listed here along with the thresholds for each project type and data element type. Project performance reports are also posted on our website, and you can click any of these links to see the project performance report for the specified period of time. The Orange County reports page contains a couple of different reports. First is the OC 10-year plan to end homelessness. Next, we have the most updated HIC information, which we update each year, and the PIT. So now we'll go to our next dropdown, which is about HMIS. And these pages just contain information about the about 211 Orange County as an agency, the history of HMIS, how HMIS works, and a list of all the currently contributing agencies that participate in HMIS. So our last menu item up here is the recent emails page. On this page, we upload a web version of the emails that we send out via MailChimp. So the latest one we have posted is about some new optional fields in HMIS. So if you click on any of these links, you will see the email that's sent out via our listserv in the same format as you would see in your inbox. So that's it for our top menu bar. Now we'll go over our sidebar buttons. First is just an HMIS login. So this is how you would log into Clarity, into HMIS to be able to do your data entry. Next, we have the HMIS Documents page, which is hosted on OCHMIS.org. So this is where you can find documents like the Policies and Procedures Manual, client intake, exit, and update forms, client privacy forms, setup forms, and some other documents. Next, we have the HMIS Help Desk, and we also have a little message right here. On ochmis.org, you will not find any technical information about HMIS, so that means you will not find any information about HMIS functionality on this website. You'll find all functionality information on the Help Desk. So this is the front page of the HMIS Help Desk, and in this search bar, you can type in any technical issue you might be having, and we might have an article that can help you solve your problem. So if we are trying to give a client a service, we might type in service here, and then we can see all of these articles that might help us solve the problem that we're dealing with. So we can also scroll down here to see all of the sections and articles that are posted on the Help Desk. And the Help Desk is also where you submit tickets to the HMIS team. So to do that, you just click Submit Ticket, and you fill out this form if you're an agency administrator, and that's how you communicate technical problems to HMIS staff. The next button goes to the HMIS training website. So this is where you're able to log in and complete all the required trainings for keeping your HMIS account active. You can also always log back into this website to view trainings again if you want to go over the detailed functionality information that we have in our trainings. And the last link is our HMIS calendar. So when the Hick and Pick get underway, we will post deadlines in this calendar as well. The last thing about the ochmis.org website is if we go back to the home page, the posts that you see here are updates that we post from HUD or sometimes NAEH, just information that we think it's helpful for you to have. We also sometimes post the emails that we send out as a post on the website just to make sure that as many people see it as possible. So that is the functionality of the ochmis.org website.